Welcome back to CNC Training BD. Today I will show how to make this simple 2D design for the beginner. Today I will show how to make mirror. Okay, mirror. I just make one side and mirror another side. Okay, let's try to make this. Here is dimension total length 100 millimeter and maximum diameter 40 millimeter. Okay, here radius 14, 12, 4, 10. Okay, and short distance 6 millimeter, 40 millimeter, 60 millimeter, 77 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this. First of all, choose front plane in this case and make central line from origin point. Okay, make relation it's horizontal. Okay, now it's horizontal. Okay, I just make one side and make mirror. Okay, first of all I make one side. That's 3-point arc. One, two. Okay, it's tangent relation. Here also tangent. Make relation 3-point is must horizontal. One, two, and three horizontal. Now it's horizontal. And finally give the dimension. Smart dimension first. Uh, Length. Okay. Here from here 100 millimeter. Okay. Maximum diameter 40 millimeter. Okay. And inner 26 millimeter. Now, oh, here also horizontal. Horizontal. Okay. And short length here 6 millimeter. Here from here 40 millimeter. And here from center point origin point 60 millimeter. Okay, now here from origin point 76 millimeter, sorry, 70 millimeter. Press enter. Okay, now it's smaller. Okay, now make relation an arc radius 6 millimeter. Here also 10 millimeter. Another one 4 millimeter. Now it's 12 millimeter. Okay, see, this is our design is fully defined. That means every single line is black. Our design is complete. Now if you want, you can make 3D, but I cannot now. I just show mirror. Okay, mirror. So how can I make this mirror procedure? See, here is mirror option, mirror entities. Press the mirror entities and select the all line. Okay, press left key and drag all single line. Here it says the line color, and here all line is selected. Now I press mirror about. Okay, mirror about and press center line. See, here is showing another one. So now it's mirror. Okay, see, it's mirror. I just create upper portion and then select the wall line and press mirror about. Now it's mirror. Okay, uh, oh sorry, I forget the last dimension. See, here is 14 millimeter. I forget this dimension. Now I have some mistake. Here is back. I trim the last one and make again here from here 14 millimeter. Okay, and make again mirror entities, select all line and then mirror about, press center line. uh, okay, now it's mirror. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.